Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a skin smoothing face mask using banana. So many of you eat banana every day and you don't know that applying banana on your skin comes with a lot of benefit as well as eating it. So after eating your banana, instead of throwing it in the bin, there are several things you can do with it to help get rid of acne, blemishes on the skin. So banana here is one of the most abundant fruits that we have, and it has so many skin benefits. Banana peels can be eaten either raw or by using it to make tea. This is very good when it comes to sleeping. If you're having sleeping problems, banana helps to cure pimples. Simply applying the skin of banana on your pimples is going to help reduce it. It helps to reduce wrinkles when applied on the skin and helps to keep your skin hydrated. Banana peel also acts as a pain reliever by simply applying it all over the areas that you are feeling pains. It also helps to soothe sunburns and also helps heal insect bites. Banana peel has a UV protection which helps to protect your eyes from harmful UV rays. Just by applying banana all over your face is going to help protect you from direct harm of the sunlight. Some of the important tips to note when using a banana peel is that you should always use fresh banana peels for best result. Never keep an unpeeled banana for too long. Always consume it immediately or use it immediately. Store your bananas in a cool, dry place and always keep them away from heat or direct sunlight. Never store your bananas in the refrigerator because this is going to deteriorate it, and avoid throwing banana peels on the road or public places. Always make use of the bin if you must throw it away. The next ingredient we'll be making use of is egg yolk. Egg yolk is made up of mostly water and fat, which makes it a great water binding agent that helps to lock in moisture into your skin cells, leaving your face soft and supple. Egg yolk face mask works wonders for people with dry or flaky skin. The nutrient in egg yolk works to hydrate, nourish and moisturize dull skin. Egg yolk contains protein, which is a building block for skin tissues, promotes skin elasticity and repairs. Contains vitamin A, which helps to heal dry, flaky and itchy skin. It contains vitamin B2, which helps to protect cells from free radicals, vitamin B3, which treats inflammatory skin conditions and also hydrates the skin. It also contains zinc, which slows down the skin aging process and treats acne and pimples. To prepare this mask, I'm going to get my fresh banana and just take out the peel like this. I'll not be throwing the succulent part of the banana away because this also contains a lot of nutrients that your skin needs. After getting the fruit out of the banana, I'm going to get a teaspoon and then just scrape out the banana peel just like this. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to put that in my bowl and then go ahead to scrape the remaining peel and get all the goodness that comes with the banana peel. Here is what it looks like after removing the succulent part, and I'll just go ahead and throw this away. The next thing I'm going to do is get a stick blender and blend this all up. If you don't have a stick blender, you don't have to worry, just go ahead and blend it up in a blender. I'm going to be leaving the link to this stick blender in the description box in case you want to get it. After which I'll just go ahead and stir it all up till it is completely mixed. To apply this, I'm going to make sure my face is very clean. So I'm just removing the residue of makeup from my face, making sure I wipe everything clean before applying the mask. You don't want to leave any makeup or skincare product on your skin when using this mask. When I'm sure my skin is clean, I'll just go ahead and apply the marks all over my face. And then you don't have to bother about the smell of this because it doesn't smell at all. I myself, I don't like the smell of egg, and I thought this was going to smell awfully, but it doesn't smell bad. It just smells like banana, and it smells like sweet banana. You won't even perceive the egg yolk in it. So just go ahead and apply it all over your face. Make sure you cover everywhere, and you can as well extend it to your neck and cover all your chin, and then go ahead and leave it to dry. After leaving it for some minutes to dry, this is what it looks like. The mask has turned completely brown, and my face is so tight, feeling so tight right now, and I'm really loving the feeling on my skin. So the next thing I'm going to do is get a wet towel and just go ahead in circular gentle motion like this, gentle circular motion, and then clean off the banana marks. While doing this, it is also going to help gently exfoliate your face. Ensure your face is clean and you are not leaving residue of the mark on your skin. Then go ahead and moisturize it with your favorite moisturizer, your rose water, or leave it on if you apply this at night. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to share it with your friends. Also follow me on my socials. The link is on the screen and in the description box. Visit my blog, link down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.